The magic of fire pit, unraveling the English phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll be diving into the intriguing world of the English language to understand the phrase, fire pit. If you've ever sat around a campfire or enjoyed a barbecue evening, this one's for you. The phrase, fire pit, consists of two words, fire and pit. Fire refers to the process of combustion that produces heat, light, and often flames. It's the bright, warm thing you see when wood, coal, or other materials burn. Pit refers to a hole, typically in the ground. It can be natural or man-made and is often used to contain something. When combined, fire pit refers to a hole or a container, often in the ground, where fire is made. It's specifically designed to contain a fire and prevent it from spreading. Fire pits are popular in many cultures and have a range of uses. 1. Warmth. In colder climates or during chilly nights, people gather around a fire pit to keep warm. 2. Cooking. Many use fire pits to grill food, make s'mores, or even cook traditional dishes. 3. Aesthetics and ambiance. Fire pits add a cozy, inviting ambiance to gardens, patios, or outdoor events. 4. Cultural and spiritual. In some cultures, fire pits have spiritual significance and are used in ceremonies or rituals. To help you understand better, let's see how fire pit is used in sentences. We roasted marshmallows over the fire pit last night. My backyard has a beautiful stone fire pit where we gather during summer evenings. During the festival, the entire village gathers around the fire pit for storytelling and dancing. So there we have it. A fire pit is more than just a combination of fire and a hole. It's a centerpiece for warmth, cooking, culture, and togetherness. We hope this video shed some light, pun intended, on the phrase, fire pit. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.